Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on PS4 or on PS5. So the first step, you need to check your Roblox server status. If Roblox server status is good, then you are good to go for the next step. In the next step, you need to restart the game and hopefully your issue get resolved. But if you are still facing an issue, you need to restart your console. If your issue persists, check your internet connection and make sure you have good internet connection. And in the next step, you need to update Roblox and console firmware. Make sure it is good. And if you have a cache, you need to clear cache then and reinstall Roblox. And then you need to rebuild database for PS4 and PS5. And then you need to check for system storage issue. If you check all these and your issue is still there, you need to contact Roblox or PlayStation support, and then they will help to resolve your issue. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.